Hello, teacher.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Tùng Quân. I'm in the school in Lebanon, listening.
Cool. What do you like about your hometown?
I like about food because it's delicious and very yummy.
What do you dislike about your neighborhood?
So,
What don't you like about your neighborhood? The area where you live? What don't you like?
neighbor is very kind,
Mhm.
helpful when I had a problem,
Mhm.
and he very happy.
Cool. Are computers important to you?
Yes,
Why?
because the computer help me learn in internet, help me watch help me look videos, playing game. It help me excited.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
Uh, cook, cooking now is very new and funny, but it's not safer cook at home.
City or countryside?
I will choose city because in city have lot of friends for me and I can go to the museum and park.
Cool. Very good. Well done, Wong.